Hello everybody. Musk takes nearly $3 billion stake in Twitter. Doji spikes. The Tesla CEO often uses the social media site to disseminate his view on crypto. Elon Musk has a 9.2% stake in a social media company Twitter, according to a regulatory filing on Monday. According to the filing, Musk purchased 73,486,938 of common stock in the social media company, based on Twitter's last closing price of $39.31. The stake will be worth $2.89 billion. Musk, the CEO of electric cars maker Tesla, is a staunch backer of cryptocurrencies and often uses Twitter to publicly announce his view on crypto. Foreshadowing or planned action. In a March 25 poll, Musk had asked Twitter users whether they believe the platform adheres to the free speech principles because he believes it is essential to the functioning of a democracy. He also said the results of his poll will be vital. Over 70% of respondents voted no, implying that they do not think the platform adheres to the free speech principle. Musk later asked the user if a new social media platform is needed. Memecoin spike along with shares. Prices of Memecoin Dogecoin jumped almost 10% several minutes after the news of Musk's stake. SHIB rose 5% following Doge's lead. Data shows Doge jumped from 0.143 to over $0.156 several minutes after the report of Musk's stakes at 10:13 a.m. At the time of writing, the price fell slightly to 0.154. Shares of Twitter jumped almost 20% to 47.2, while shares of Tesla were up almost 1% in pre-market trading. Bloomberg had earlier reported on the stake. The Elon effect. Musk is now structured to sending both traditional and cryptos market into a tizzy with his tweets. Previously, comments have sent prices of several meme coins and bitcoins skywards. His car company Tesla reportedly held over $2 million worth of bitcoin at the end of 2021. Tesla started accepting bitcoin for its car in 2021, but later ended the project citing climate concerns. Tesla also accepts Doge payment on its online merchandise store. The news bet had previously sent prices of Doge flying 11% in January. Musk also lent support to Dogecoin development and adoption. In May 2021, tweet saw Musk state he was working with Dogecoin developers to improve system efficiency that sent Dogecoin prices flying by 22%. Then in March, prices of Doge jumped 10% after Musk said in a tweet that he is not selling his crypto holding, which includes Doge. Post-merge Ether will be a commodity-linked bond, could rally to $10,000, BitMEX founder says. The post-merge bond-like appeal and ESG compliance label would make Ether more attractive than other Layer 1 cryptocurrencies, according to BitMEX founding Arthur Hayes. Arthur Hayes, the founder of CryptoSpot and derivatives exchange BitMEX, sees Ether the token powering Ethereum's blockchain, drawing a 5-digit price by the end of the year. When the dust settles at year-end, I believe Ethereum will be trading north of $10,000. Hayes said in a blog post called 5 Ducking Digits published yesterday. The post-merge cryptocurrency will have the characteristics of a commodity-linked bond and will have an intrinsic yield, he said. Researchers expect Ethereum's impending merge between the mainnet and the Beacon chain proof-of-stake system to happen by the end of June. Last month, development successfully launched the testnet. Once the transition to proof-of-stake is complete, users will be able to set aside or stake coin in a cryptocurrency wallet to support network operation in return for newly minted coins. In other words, the staked either becomes a revenue generation asset similar to a fixed income security, such as a government bond. The non-staked either would perhaps still have the commodity-like function. Gas is the fee or pricing value required to successfully conduct a transaction or execute a contract on the Ethereum blockchain platform and is priced in Ether. The Ethereum 2.0 merge set to acquire later this year will completely morph Ethereum into a proof-of-stake validated blockchain, Hayes said. The native reward issued to validators in the form of Ethereum-based issuability and network fees for staking Ethereum in validator nodes renders Ethereum a both. An entity needs to have at least 32 Ethereum to become a full validator. Per industry experts, annualized either staking yields are likely to be in the range of 10% to 15%, implying positive returns when adjusted US inflation. Researcher Justin Drake's estimates of post-merge Ether staking yields. According to Hire, the classification of Ether as a bond could see money managers take on exposure to the second largest cryptocurrency. If we can convince the fiduciaries that the classification of Ethereum is a bond rather than a currency, then a whole new set of fiduciary clauses can be mentally primed to allocate into the ecosystem. Here noted adding that fiduciaries can make a carry trade once as rest in a bond basket. A carry trade is a strategy of borrowing at a low interest rate and investing in assets that provides a higher rate of return. The trader profits from the spread between the interest rates. According to Hire, fiduciaries can borrow US dollars at rates equivalent to treasury yields to purchase 32 Ethereum, which will be staked. The entire